kami lang ang Shango black soldier flies in a black soldier flies farm. Yes, here we farm, we do maggot production. Many people think it smells. No, it doesn't. It doesn't smell. We have trays like this. As we put them in. These are the one. These are the ones that are dry already. They are dry already. You come this way. You have fresh maggot. Are you into catfish farming, or are you into fish farming? This is a way to reduce your cost of feeding. As you can see, this is million. You need to reduce the cost of feeding. Even if you're into poultry farming, here you have, okay, you see this one black already, they're turning into flies already. So if you want to get into this, don't forget to contact us. We are always available for you. We are in Douala, Yaoundé, Bamenda, we are in Cameroon, everywhere in the world. We do that for you. Wow. People say this thing is smelling. It's not smelling. It doesn't smell. Truly. Trust me. It doesn't smell. It doesn't. Thank you very much. Ciao.